Hello everybody, DiamondXpres. We are doing an unboxing of Shimmer Stitch. And let's see what we get. It comes in a bubble mailer. We have the diamond painting and we have a receipt right here. I saved you the trouble of having to slice this thing open, but it's a nice bubble mailer. Okay, and it's pretty pink because that's their colors, so that's kind of cool. And this is a 30 by 40. And I'll tell you, on this one, I ordered this on December 8th and it arrived on the 18th. So it took 10 days to get here and it cost $28.92. So $28.92 for a 30 by 40. Okay, it's all rolled up in this plastic sheath right there. Nice canvas. Very nice, very solid canvas. I like that. We'll get to the canvas here in a second. Actually, let's take a look at it real quick. So it's a lion, 30 by 40. It's a nice looking canvas. Tools, pretty simple tools, pretty basic. So a very small piece of wax, a very small boat tray, and a single placer for the diamond painting pen. So those are your tools right there. All right, that's good enough. I mean, most people have pens and multi-placers and everything, but if you're just starting out, you're only going to be able to go one at a time, and you might run out of wax, maybe not. But it's a very basic tool kit. Okay, the diamonds come in your standard crinkly cellophane. It's going to be noisy when I open this. I apologize, but that's diamond painting, right? So we've got a 30 by 40 with 24 colors. And these are the colors that come with this particular diamond painting. And I'm going to hold up the diamonds so you guys can take a look at them for yourself, judge for yourself. I think most of these things come from the same factory anyways, but take a look at them, judge. They look pretty uniform to me. They look good. As far as diamonds go for diamond painting, they look good. So that's the diamonds, that's the tools. Let's look at the canvas. First, it's covered with the plastic, the crinkly plastic. We'll try pulling back from each corner to see if we can get the canvas to flatten out a little bit. That's a technique for anybody who's never done a diamond painting before. If you just peel this stuff back, normally from the corners, you can get it to lay flatter. You can also take all this stuff off and put parchment paper on if you want. So that's the lion. Let's look at the symbols. Okay, I'm gonna take this all the way off. I will figure it out how to put back on here in a second. Let's just take this whole thing off here. Okay, here's the symbols, anglicized symbols. So you got numbers 1 through 8, and then you've got the alphabet, and they've left some of the more difficult symbols out of there. Symbols are clear, easy to read. I'll let you judge for yourself on this. I think they're clear and easy to read. The back of the diamond painting doesn't have any wrinkles, bumps, rivers, or anything. So this is a good diamond painting, good canvas, and a good design. So I give this a thumbs up. Well done on this. And like I said, ordered this on the 8th of December. It got here on the 18th of December. It cost $28.92, and it is a 30 by 40 with Shimmer Stitch. So Shimmer Stitch, 30 by 40, $28.92, and nice, square, good diamonds, okay toolkit, great canvas, great design. Thank you very much. Hey everybody, just a quick addendum to the video. I did notice something when I was putting this back that it didn't look right. So when I measure across the top, it's 25 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So it's really 25 centimeters by 34 centimeters, not a 30 by 40. Now, to be fair, Shimmer Stitch, when they sent the invoice, and probably when I ordered it, it has 9.5 by 13.5. But which is fine. I just don't want y'all to get the wrong impression that it was a 30 by 40. It was really a 25 centimeter by 34 centimeters. So that was $28.92 for a 25 by 34 centimeter diamond painting. Okay, thank you.